No time to work out? I get it. You're busy, you're tired, and the gym feels like a whole other job. But what if I told you there's a beginner-friendly 20-minute plan you can do right at home, no equipment needed? Perfect for busy people just like you. So why does a 20-minute workout actually work? Because it's not about spending hours exercising, it's about consistency. This plan trains your whole body, boosts your energy, and breaks that endless sitting cycle. Think of it this way, short workouts add up. All we're aiming for is regular movement and a couple of strength days each week. Remember, consistency is always better than perfection. And the best part, you don't need anything fancy. Just grab some comfy shoes, a bottle of water, and a timer. Your phone works great. And here's a simple rule for intensity. Use the talk test. You should be able to talk but not sing a song. If you're gasping for air, ease up a bit. All right, are you ready for the 20-minute plan? It has 3 simple parts. Before you start, a quick safety reminder. This is educational only, not medical advice. If you have any health conditions, please check with a professional first. And stop if you feel any sharp pain or dizziness. Okay, first up is a 2-minute warm-up. Don't skip this. Just march in place, do some big arm circles, then gentle hip circles, and a few easy squats to wake your body up. Next is the main circuit. This is 14 minutes total. We have 7 moves. The goal is to work for 40 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. If you're just starting, feel free to do 30 seconds of work and 30 seconds of rest. We'll go through the whole circuit twice. Here are the moves. Number 1, for your legs, chair squats. Keep your chest up and push your hips back like you're about to sit down. For an easier version, just do a half squat. Number 2, for pushing strength, wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it at chest height, and keep your body in a straight line as you push. Too easy? Try them on your knees on the floor. Number 3, for your glutes, glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Squeeze your glutes to lift your hips toward the ceiling. Number 4, for your core, the dead bug. Lie on your back and slowly lower one opposite arm and leg at the same time. The key is slow and controlled movement. Number 5, for balance, step back lunges. Take a small step back and bend both knees. Stay steady. If that's wobbly, just hold a split squat position without moving. Number 6, another core move, the plank. Keep your core tight and don't forget to breathe. You can do this on your hands or elbows. For an easier version, place your hands on the edge of a couch. And number 7, for cardio, marching high knees. Keep your feet light and swing your arms. To make it easier, just do a fast march. After 2 rounds of that, we finish with a 4-minute cooldown. Just walk slowly around the room, take some deep breaths, and then hold some gentle stretches for your calves, thighs, chest, and hips. No bouncing. Now, let me share 2 common mistakes beginners often make so you can avoid them. First, going too hard too soon. This leads to burnout or injury. Start easy and focus on good form. The second mistake, skipping the warm-up. Your muscles need to be ready for work. Always warm up. So how do you get stronger? Follow this simple progression. In your first week, aim for 1 or 2 rounds of the main circuit. In your second week, aim for 2 solid rounds. By week 3, if your form still feels great, you can try increasing your work time from 30 seconds to 40 or even add a 3rd round. The key is to progress only when your form is solid. So there you have it, a simple, effective 20-minute plan. I encourage you to save this routine, maybe write it down on a sticky note and try it 3 times a week. And if you sit a lot for work, add in short walking breaks throughout your day. That's it. You've got the plan, now it's time to take that first step. You can do this.